Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I was gonna do a little video on my 2 months check-in, I guess, on my new Camaro. I don't know if you haven't seen previous video. It's my 2017 SS 50th anniversary. With pretty much every single option except sunroof, because I don't fit in the ones in sunroof. I don't think they're designed for people over 6 foot tall. So far, car has about 4,500 miles on it, and I absolutely love it. I haven't been driving that much though, because of this. But I've been driving it last week, since it finally dried out, and it's still running on the original tires, which are not really winter friendly whatsoever. They're Eagle F1s. But enough of a sweet talk. Let's talk about what I actually love about this car. First of all, I love the full-on keyless access. Just makes life a lot easier. Let's get in here. So number one of my most favorite features about it is actually the dual node exhaust. It just sounds badass when you gun in it. It sounds beautiful. When you cruise in it, it's not too loud, so you can still hear yourself and hear yourself think. All right, so number two, what I absolutely love about this Camaro is manual shifter. I don't know if you guys been seeing some of my videos. I mean, I've owned the 5th gen Camaro and I own a 4th gen Camaro, which is supercharged, and both of those cars were manual, and this shifter just feels a lot more precise. So that it just feels like a fine-tuned bolt action rifle. And I'm talking not Soviet bolt action rifle. I'm talking like, you know, Remington 700 bolt action rifle, or something even nicer than that. So really nice shifter feel. Then I absolutely love the option of the heads-up display, and then you can actually change it up. Like I have it set to RPMs, miles, and the G, how many G's you get pushing the corner. So yeah, just for shits and giggles, pretty fun. So that's cool. Then heated steering wheel is a really cool option in the winter right now, but it is warming up. Like I was showing, it's 51 degrees right now, so don't really need to use that. Heated and cooled seats are also really nice, but it's kind of like, that's kind of, you can get almost any car with those options these days. So let's talk more about the Camaro specific options. So first of all, the interior accents, badass features, looks really cool at night. You can change the colors through your menu screen over here, so you can go to lighting and change all that stuff. So that's pretty cool. But one of the biggest improvements, I would say, over the 5th gen is actually the build quality. Everything just feels so solid. It just it's kind of has that BMW feel to it, because I own quite a few Beamers, and it's actually, even the way the dash is and the way the screen's designed, it feels very similar to BMW feel, and just fit and finish is just quality compared to 5th and 4th gen Camaros. It's not even close. Also, I own the 05 or 06 GTO with LS2 in it, and even that is known to have one of the better GM qualities for interior, and still not even close. Like, the seats are awesome. They hold you real well. Everything just seems well put together. There is no rattles. There is no weird noises. Nothing like that. The driving position is great. The ergonomics are awesome. So this rear view mirror is actually like really cool. It's like a little frameless design. It looks almost like a little screen on there, but really cool. So as far as the engine, for somebody that had a bunch of cars with LS engines, the LT engine is completely different animal. So first of all, it feels like the power curve is just so much better, and it just with LS1 specifically, lots of the power was like above 3,000 RPM in my 98 Camaro. With GTO, same thing, like you get the power, and everything was towards the top, and even with 5th gen Camaro, again, you had like really good power up top, but not much on the bottom. It just didn't seem as linear as the torque curve feels on this guy. It just feels a lot quicker, and I think weight has something to do with it, because it's several hundred pounds lighter than the 5th gen. But it just feels quick, and I've seen people around mid-12s with manual transmission ones, no problems, like completely stuck. So the definitely power is great. The fuel economy is really good if you're not gunning it. I'm not really the biggest fan of where the traction control button is, because I rest my hand over here, so I turn on and off traction control like all the time by accident. And I'm not really the biggest fan of electric parking brake. I like the old school pull it up if that it works. Then as far as what else I like in it, well, besides all of the fit and finish and the engine and transmission, what I absolutely love about it is, of course, the look of the car. It just looks so much cooler than the 5th gen. It just looks more mean, more angrier than the 5th gen. So yeah, this is kind of like my 2 months check-in. So far, very happy with the car. It's definitely probably the best bang for the buck if you're buying a new car like with around under $40,000. As far as the modifications, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do anything to it yet, just because I'm literally under 5,000 miles so far. I kind of feel like I'm gonna do some performance mods, because every time I get a car like this, I do performance mods all the time. So that might be something to do in the future, but just stay tuned. The next video I'm gonna post up is probably things that I don't necessarily like in the new Camaro, and I wish that they changed up a little bit if it's possible. But yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit thumbs up if you like the video, thumbs down if you hate it. But if you do hit thumbs down, please let me know if there's anything I could have done better. I would love to grow my channel, and I would love to help people out with my DIY stuff. So please hit that subscribe button and have a good day. Take care.